Hello remaja semua. Kali ni saya nak main game. Mungkin boleh dipanggil sebagai hidden gem. Sebab game ni game lama. Dulu pernah lah main sekejap, tapi saya nak main lagi sekali. Nama game dia Smash Bandit. Kalau siapa yang pernah main game Need for Speed, yang suka main dengan polis, bolehlah main game ni. Game dia untuk handphone. Siapa yang tak ada PC nak main Need for Speed, bolehlah try game ni ya. Main kejar-kejar dengan polis.
You're watching live extraordinary scenes on the interstate today. We'll be sure to stick with the action. Other programming will be delayed until further notice.
Langgar ni untuk dapatkan point.
Carnage down there. Let's hope the
Kalau
suspect
merah tu
sees
maksudnya
sense and gives up soon.
kita punya kenderaan tak kuat lagi lah nak langgar. Polisi mudahan.
We have absolute carnage down there. Let's hope the suspect sees sense and gives up soon. Oh my, this individual is causing thousands of dollars worth of damage. This guy's gonna have a list of charges longer than his arm.
Kita masuk bahagian bandar. Oh, kira kita dah nak rosak. Damage dia ada dekat situ.
Another SUV taking a spin.
Kalau kita merah tu maksudnya dah nak rosak tu. Rosak dah. Oh, boleh curi kereta polis.
You're watching live extraordinary scenes on the interstate today. We'll be sure to stick with the action. Other programming will be delayed until further notice. It seems to be fun games to this part. The police are going to take a different view on that, I guarantee you.
Kita kena pergi arah yang ada nampak macam anak panah biru tu.
I think the officers thought they had the driver there, but they're gonna have to try something else. There is just no stopping this kid.
Mana nak pergi? Oh, sini.
Surely it's only a matter of time until this felon runs out of highway.
Dari mana datang?
Oh, come on! That police vehicle took a left. Well, looks like the officer's okay, though.
Oh, kita dah rosak. Jauh lagi ke?
The SCPD are gonna need to respray that one.
Tepi. Oh. Tahu pula. Smash Bandit Racing. Ni ada dia punya cabaran kalau nak try. Lepas tu setiap kereta ada upgrade individual lah. Ada ni bagi ada sedan, hot rod. Wah. Hammer GT. Oh. Nomad. Semua ada. Ni paling power lah kot. Oh, ada lagi power. Ini dia. Semua full. Ni kita boleh main lagi. Mari start balik. macam Need for Speed sikit tapi daripada pandangan atas. Macam GTA lama lah.
You're watching live extraordinary scenes on the interstate today. We'll be sure to stick with the action. Other programming will be delayed until further notice.
Oi,
Oh my! That police vehicle took a black. It looks like the officer's okay though.
apa lagi cabarannya dia ada? Smash cleanly through the roadblock. Lepas tu 100, 1000 meter. Baik, kita boleh 1000 meter sekejap betul.
Welcome back. As you see here, News Chopper 2 is following a runaway fella. Looks like this driver is out to cause some serious trouble. We have absolute carnage down there. Let's hope the suspect sees sense and gives up soon.
Cara nak langgar polis, lepas minyak, tekan dekat dia, lepas tu tekan minyak balik. Boleh pakai 10 kali tapi ni sekarang tinggal 6 saja.
Well, looks like the officer's okay though.
Jalan coklat dia. Macam jalan dia.
Oh my! That police vehicle took a black. Well, looks like the officer's okay though.
Macam ramai je kejar. Oh, sikit nak kena. Darab 2. Skor kita dah naik. Darab
Danger
2.
proceeds in this high-speed pursuit. The suspect has been clocking the speed
Oh,
limit
lemak,
well in
terlanggar pula.
excess of the state limit.
Game ni tak ada minyak. Jadi pandai-pandai lah. Nak pergi mana?
This guy's gonna have a list of charges longer than his arm.
Alamak, tertangkap lah. Oh,
You're
kita start
watching
awal.
live extraordinary scenes on the interstate today. We'll be sure to stick with the action. Other programming will be delayed until
Polis
further
baru.
notice.
Oh, ini level 5 ni. Wanted level 5.
We
Polis
have
jadi
absolute
kali hitam.
carnage down there. Let's hope the suspect sees sense and gives up soon.
Wah, semua kita polis kali hitam. Oh, di sini.
Oh my! It's causing thousands of dollars worth of damage. This guy's gonna have a list of charges longer than his arm. This guy's racking up a pretty big bill for the SCPD.
Mana ni jalan? Sini.
The situation is completely out of control. Just unbelievable.
Aduh, polisi kacau lah. Bom.
Oh my, this individual is causing thousands of dollars worth of damage.
Oh, rosak juga kita. Wanted level 5. Macam mana nak kurangkan? Baik, macam tu je lah game dia. Kalau nak try, boleh terus download Smash Bandit Racing, nama game dia. Baik, selamat dan seronok mencuba. Bye.